Hello, welcome to this forgiveness meditation audio. Let us invoke for divine blessings with a small prayer to the Divine Father, Divine Mother, Mahaguruji Meleng, my Master, Grandmaster Choa Kok Sui, to the spiritual teachers, spiritual masters, holy saints and angels. We invoke for your divine guidance, divine help, healing and protection, with gratitude, love, and in full faith. Let us begin with the forgiveness part. When we don't forgive ourselves and hold on to our guilt, we are not able to be the best version of ourselves, and further, unforgiveness creates anger, resentment, stress, sleep issues, and even physical problems. Therefore, forgiveness is important to release the past, live in the present, take charge of your own life, and stepping into the future with pure intentions. We have to look within ourselves. We have to heal ourselves. It is our responsibility to keep ourselves happy and content in life. Think about the relationship which you share with yourself. Think about the relationship which you have with your own self. Do you appreciate your good works? What do you do to keep your good health? Do you exercise? Do you take care of yourself? Or did you meditate? Or did you spend time for your hobbies? How is your behavior and attitude towards yourself? What are the thoughts in your mind about yourself? Are they positive or negative? Do you appreciate yourself or neglect your good qualities? Do you appreciate yourself or neglect your good qualities? You have to understand that no one is perfect, and so are you. Don't meditate on your mistakes or criticize yourself for the mistakes done by you. Improve the relationship with yourself. You are a positive person that can see the good in every situation. Please close your eyes now. Please close your eyes. Now see the body part which is causing you pain. See the body part which is causing you pain. If you are healthy and fine, see your body and its aura around it. Say to it, please forgive me. Please forgive me. I love you. I am so grateful to you that you work day and night for me. I am so grateful to you that you work day and night for me. Yes, I appreciate you. Thank you. Yes, you are important for my survival. I am so happy that you are part of my body. I am so happy that you are my body. I am grateful to God and to you. I am extremely sorry for all the comparison I do for you. I will not compare myself with others, their status and life. I understand things will happen for me at the right time. I'm sorry for my low self-esteem. I forgive myself to keep all negative things in my body. I release all my negative attitude, ego, anger, guilt, frustration. I release and let go of all the negativity. I set my past free and forgive my participation in it. Please forgive me for all the hurt, anger, fear, resentment, which is not good for me. Just release all these from all the cells of your body. See them getting out of your system, getting out of your aura. See them getting out of your system, getting out of your aura. And say, I love my body. You love your body. You appreciate it. You love your eyes. They show the world to you. You love your ears and you are thankful to them. Your mouth, your hands, your legs. Thank all of them. Thank all your major and minor chakras. They are cleansed, energized, and balanced. Thank all your major and minor chakras. They are cleansed, energized, and balanced. Say, I am grateful for my survival. I can walk, I can study, I can sing, dance, enjoy my life. I walk the road to my success and happiness with joy and ease. Yes, I can understand that I am unique. Yes, I understand I am unique. I am growing and evolving. I am happy and healthy. I am giving importance to myself and I am maintaining my health. I am taking good care of my health. I love my imperfections. I love my imperfections. I appreciate my body, whatever shape, color, size it is. I accept my skin. I accept my hair. I accept myself all over. I understand improving takes time, growing takes time, evolving takes time. I easily manifest unconditional love, wisdom, joy, health, abundance, happiness and prosperity. I am grateful for my family, for my friends, for everything in my life and for every breath I take. I appreciate myself. I am happy. I am spiritual. I am content in my life. I am peace. I am calmness. I am enjoying each and every moment of my life. I am unstoppable in my life. I am ready for magnificent experiences in my life. I am in harmony with myself, with planet Earth, with the universe, and with everyone and everything. I thank the universe. So be it, and so it is.